ये राजस्थान है भाई साहब। यहाँ हम आपके सम्मान में दिल जान प्राण तक न्यौछावर करते हैं। यहाँ हम यहाँ की हवाएं भी आपको खमा गणी राम राम सा या हुकुम कहेंगी।
History of Rajasthan. Ancient history. One can see the traces of human settlement in Rajasthan since the days of Indus Valley civilization. Due to its geographical location, Rajasthan has captured the interest of many republics like Arjunas, Kushans, Malwas, Saka, Satraps and Yodhyas. Medieval history. During the 9th century, the Rajput clan come to power in Rajasthan. Unparalleled bravery and merits of the Rajput played a really important role in the history of Rajasthan. Rajput warriors used to fight against all the odds, lived with honor, and whenever the situation demanded, they sacrificed their life for the pride of the empire. During the 8th-12th century AD, the Rajput clan gained supremacy and were divided into 36 royal clans. Modern history. In 17, Bharatpur city was further developed by the Jat conqueror. By 18, Maratha conquered some parts of Rajasthan and was led by Peshwa Bajirao of Pune. Most of the Rajputs passed under the control of Maratha Empire and continued to pay tribute to Pune. Geography of Rajasthan. Western arid geographical regions of Rajasthan. Rajasthan region in India, western arid region across over Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Churu and Nagaur. The region characterized by the different types of sand dunes and rocks. Monsoon comes with approx 10 to 25 centimeters rainfall every year. Rati and Tharpakar communities are well known in this region. The semi-arid geographical region of Rajasthan. The semi-arid region is located in the west part of Aravalli Hills. The region extends over Pali, Jalore, Nagaur, Junjunu, Sikar, Jodhpur and Churu districts. It's rich in non-metallic minerals at Jodhpur, Barmer, Nagaur and Pali districts around the high-grade minerals. Luni River and Sambar Lake are the main source of this region. The canal-irrigated geographical regions of Rajasthan. The northwestern region of Rajasthan. This region extends over Hanumangarh, Sri Ganganagar, Bikaner and northern part of Jaisalmer district. Region economy depends on agriculture crops like wheat, gram, barley, cells, etc. Few industries products are based on sugar and cotton. The Aravalli region. Aravalli, the classic region of hilly terrain as Aravalli range. Western border covered by hills and eastern border by Banas and Chappan plains. 1/10 of this region is covered by forest and grassland. The region includes cities like Udaipur, Pali, Sirohi, Dungarpur and Rajsamand. Economy of Rajasthan. Rajasthan has the 8th largest economy with the net state domestic product of over 11.5 billion. Over the last 10 years from 1994 to 2003, the state of Rajasthan underwent growth at the compoundment average growth rate of 6%, increasing from 6.4 billion to 11.5 billion. The main economy of Rajasthan is agrarian based. Industry. The industrial sector accounts for about 32.5% of the total share of the state's economy. The enterprise of the Rajasthan is evident in the larger number of small scale industrial units which have sprung up all upon the state. Agriculture is the leading economy of the state, accounting for 22.5%. The total cultivated area of the state comprises about 20 million hectares, and out of this only 20% of the land is irrigated. Another most important revenue contribution of the state is tourism and account for about 15% of the economy of Rajasthan. Rajasthan contributes about 11.5% and 3.3% share in India's foreign and domestic tourist arrival respectively. Good practices of Rajasthan. Strengths. Rajasthan is the largest state in the country. More than 25 major and minor metallic and non-metallic minerals are available. In some of the minerals, Rajasthan is number 1 in the country. Known for Rajasthani culture, tradition in textiles, gems and jewelries and handicrafts. Weakness. Advantages of coast. Ports are not available. Poor literacy, particularly female. Scarcity of English-speaking manpower, limited water resources, only handful of perennial rivers such as Chambal, Banas, Mahi. Threats. competition from economically well-off states, decreasing female-male ratio, rising cost of land, failure of monsoon causing disruptions of power supply, opportunities, gems and jewelries, textiles, ITs, wind solar energy, tourism and education. SWOT analysis of Rajasthan. Jewelry. Rajasthan is famous for its jewelry industry and it is one of the world's largest centers for hand cutting of gems. It is India's important source for precious and semi-precious stones like ruby, emerald, garnets, agate, amethyst, topaz, lapis, carnelians, etc. Miniature paintings of Rajasthan. The miniature paintings of Rajasthan were originally commissioned by the Rajput kings, but Mughal influence come to be seen in them in terms of clothing, facial features and architecture. In Udaipur, Rajasthan, there are many craftsmen who have learned this art from their forefathers who were artists for the king. Wooden articles. Most of the landscape of Rajasthan is dry and arid desert, but there are few pockets of lush jungle around Jaipur, Banswara, Kota and Udaipur which provide quality wood for craftsmen to create wooden articles. The furniture in particularly is the special interest to those who are looking for antiques. Besides furniture, you will also find a number of articles including toys, snuff boxes, chests, animal figurines and other interesting memorabilia.